Alright folks, we're going to do a real quick simple stir fry tonight. It's very late, it's 10 o'clock at night, and I need something to eat quick. It's a long day, it's freezing. So we're going to do a little chicken stir fry. We got some broccoli here, some carrots, some another half of that squash, a little bit of ginger here. Throw a few mandarin orange segments in there, some chilies, and some onion. Gonna do a little oyster sauce and some toasted sesame oil and then a boiling bag. Very quick, simple meal. I'll show you how. Now today.
This is the InSane Chef.
Right, so far we got our squash, broccoli, chilies, ginger diced up. Throw a little bit of garlic in here too. A couple cloves of garlic. Ooh, there we go, folks. Our veggies are ready. I really like water chestnuts, so I open a can of water chestnuts up and we'll do some of them. Now, Mr. Chef, we're going to use toasted sesame oil. 100% pure. Not as much as hog lard. Alright, there we go. Some organically grown with chemical chicken. All natural, of course. And veggies and our water chestnuts. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cook this off, pull it aside, and we'll start veggies. At the end, we'll throw this chicken back in because we don't have a high-powered wok. We got a damn camper burner and a regular skillet, so yeah, we're going to improvise. Ooh, toasted not coconut, toasted sesame oil. There we go, let's cook our chicken. Alright, where the smoke is fire, let's drop this chicken in here. We cut this super thin so it'll cook real fast. Alright, chicken is looking good as only it can look, and let's saute our veggies. Same thing, a little sesame oil in the pan. Throw them veggies in as soon as we see smoke. Well, there's the smoke. Fire in the hole. Ooh, that smells so good. It smells like garlic and that ginger and the onion, that sesame oil. That smells good. So the reason we're using this here oyster sauce is it's very low calorie and zero fat. I'm trying to cut down on our fat, especially our saturated fats. You see that 0, 0, 0, 0. It has a hell of a lot of sodium though, so if you're low sodium, try to stay off. And it's very low carb too. It's not a sweet sauce, it's more of a salty, savory sauce. Meanwhile, while I'm filming all this, Mrs. Chef is hard at work over here. The fireplace, electric fireplace, you know, the false fake fireplace, it's just like a heater, caught on fire the other night and smoked the whole damn place up. So she's down here right now trying to, we bought a replacement one, and she's in there trying to get this thing rewired up. And in case you're wondering, yeah, Mrs. Chef is a bad motherfucker. Anyway, back to the lecture here at hand. This is like an old patch of collard greens. So actually, it smells absolutely delicious and it's healthy for your ass. So there we are. That's just about ready there. It's getting tender. Throw our chicken back in here. I do the chicken separate to make sure the chicken gets cooked all the way and you don't get salmonella all up in your gut hole. So it's now time to add the sauce. We're not adding a ton of sauce. This is a lot of food right here. This is a good 3 or 4 pounds of vegetables and, you know, a pound of chicken. You're only using about a quarter of the bottle or so. Once you toss that in there, it's good. You don't need a ton of that sauce. Stuff coated. The way I coat it, yeah, just keep tossing the pan. It's kind of hard to do and filming at the same time, so I'm using my hand to film, but just keep tossing around in there until you get it all coated good. Not too hard. Ooh, that's smelling delicious. So on a scale of 1 to 10 on difficulty, it's not that difficult to make. Probably like a 3 or 4. But the reason it becomes difficult is because people are lazy as hell. And they don't like to cut shit up. So if you don't mind cutting your vegetables up and all, a very simple dish. You just saute the stuff and add sauce. It's really, really simple. So there you go, folks. Nice, easy meal that you can make at your house. With use whatever vegetables you like. And the biggest difference in this one, and if you go out to eat Chinese food, is we didn't deep fry anything in here. The chicken has not been deep fried. It's been sauteed in healthy sesame oil. Put the fresh garlic and the fresh gingers for the aromatics. Tastes delicious. And we're not soaking this in some sweet ass sauce that's dripping and half the pan's full of sauce. It's lightly coated in a non-sweet sauce. So it's low carb, low calorie. So this whole meal is very low calorie and absolutely delicious. Now I hope you make this to your house. Thanks for joining us. See you guys next time.